Hey guys, so we're out here today with this Mercedes-Benz smart car, and it's real dirty. You can see the mustache, got a lot of dirt on it, so we're gonna give it a good maintenance wash. So to start out the maintenance wash today, we're gonna use Glossworkz, and we're gonna use the 2-bucket method. And the 2-bucket method is a way to wash a vehicle without giving any scratches or swirls to the surface, keeping that fresh wax look all the time. So right here we got our 2 buckets set up. We have each bucket is our chemical guys bucket filled with a grit guard inside, and the grit guard is going to keep all of the dirt and debris that comes off the vehicle down at the bottom of the bucket to make sure that it does not get on the vehicle causing more scratches. So the first thing we're going to do is take our Glossworkz, and we're going to use only 1 capful. That's 1 ounce, and that's all you need to handle the job is that 1 ounce. With a quality soap, less is more. So we're going to go ahead and rinse out our cap before we put it back on our bottle. Just like so. And so now we're pretty much prepared to start the washing. So I'm going to go ahead and give the vehicle a good rinse down and start up the foam, and let's get going. Okay guys, so now we got the whole vehicle rinsed and we're ready to start our 2-bucket wash method. So to utilize this today, we have our microfiber Chanel wash mitt, and we're going to go ahead and rinse out all the clean water. This mitt is clean and ready to go from our clean wash bucket. And let's go ahead and drop it in our solution bucket right here. Now this wash mitt is the kind that fits over your hand. Some people like the dog bone style you can grab onto. I kind of like the mitt. Gives me a nice feel on the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and take our solution right here and pour it right over the vehicle. We want to try and pre-saturate as much of the vehicle as we can to make sure we have good lubricity. Remember, with soap, foam is just an extra feature. You want that slickness to be able to move right across the surface and remove any dirt. So grab a little bit more foam right here, and we're going to wash in one direction only. We can move in a snake pattern if you like. I really like the snake pattern. We can move up here along the glass and underneath the wipers. And now we've come right to our paint. So once we've washed a portion of the vehicle, you can see some dirt and debris has accumulated in the wash mitt. We're going to go ahead and take this in our clean solution and wipe it right down on the grit guard and wring out any excess water. Now we have a brand new clean wash mitt. So now with a little bit more solution, we're going to go ahead and finish washing the front of this smart car. You can go ahead and concentrate on any areas that have excess bird droppings or airplane fallout, or any type of contamination on the surface. You can go ahead and concentrate on that area to make sure that you remove it. So we're going to go up here and get in the grill and the license plate. And once again, now that we've finished an area of the vehicle, we take our wash mitt, dip it in the clean solution, and rinse it out. Now we dip it back in the soap, and we're good to go. Okay guys, it's really that easy, so I'm going to go ahead and wash the rest of this vehicle, and then we'll rinse it off to give it a good dry. Hey guys, so we got the whole car completely washed and rinsed off, and now the car is very clean and we're ready to start our drying process. To use the drying process, we're going to go ahead and use a quick detailing drying process that I think will help you give a cleaner look and will help you dry the car even faster. So right here we're going to use our hybrid V7, and then we're going to use one of our silk lined gray waffle weave drying towels. If you want to come up here closely, I can show you that these waffle weaves help hold in the water better than a regular microfiber towel. They're going to give you more water coverage and absorption and make sure that you dry your car faster without having to wring out your towel over and over again. So come over here to the vehicle, and we're going to go ahead and start on the front right here. We're going to take our hybrid V7. We're going to make sure our sprayer's on, and we're going to give a few sprays to the front of the vehicle. This is going to help whisk away the water from the surface, and it's also going to give a brighter shine to the vehicle while also protecting using spray sealant technology. So we're going to go ahead and give a nice wipe to the surface. And as you can see, I'm only wiping in one direction, and that is taking off all of the water from the surface. And we're just going to keep drying real quick. And as you can see, the microfiber waffle weave is absorbing all the water from the surface, giving us a nice crisp dry surface. So I'm going to continue drying down here on the bumper, get all this plastic down here around the license plate. Drying is one of the parts of washing a car that we want to put a lot of concentration into because we don't want to miss any areas and leave any streaks on the surface. There we go. So I'm going to move up here. And we're going to give a nice drying off of this glass. We're going to go over it with Glossworkz afterwards, but we want to just make sure that we don't have any leftover spots on the surface. Okay guys, so now we finished drying the front of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and do the final wipe down. Since we've already applied our V7, all we need to do is wipe off the excess. So we're going to use one of our gold. These are our silk lined microfiber towels. They're very premium and they're the best for wiping down the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and refold the towel to expose the soft fluffy side. I like this side for drying because it gives a little bit slicker surface when I drag the towel along the paint. So we're going to go ahead and dry the rest of the surface and give a nice final wipe down. Make sure we get any streaks that we left off the car. Go down here to the bottom of the bumper. Just want to make sure that we remove any residual V7 that it may have been left on the surface. As you can see, my waffle weave towel is very clean. There's no dirt on the surface. My towel wasn't black because my vehicle is already dry and is already clean from dirt. So we're not bringing any dirt onto the clean towel. We're only wiping away V7. That's it guys. It's real easy. Maintenance wash can be very, very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and dry the rest of the vehicle and you guys can watch me too. Okay guys, so now we have our car completely done, dried off, V7 and sealed, and our car is going to look great till the next wash. So now this car can go out and enjoy the weekend, picking up the girls or cruising the beach. So if you guys have any more questions, check out our website or check into Glossworkz or any of our other products. Check out our YouTube tutorials as well. See you soon.